What's up guys, welcome to my channel, man. OffseTRucking. This morning I wake up not early as the other load, but right now it's 5 in the morning.
In half a mile, turn left onto US 41.
It's 5 in the morning, so I'm going to drop off that load. I slept with that load. Now I'm gonna drop it off in Tennessee. So GPS said it's like 2 hours 40 some minutes away from me, so I'm supposed to get there at 9. I'm supposed to drop off at 9, but I wake up at 5. I leave at 5 because that way I give myself a lot of time, you know. I don't have to be in the rush. And I got time to eat something.
US 41.
So we're gonna head there. Now, I'm in Tennessee, Highway I-24, right? I don't care what time it is. No matter what time it is, morning, evening, night, it's always a traffic there. Always a traffic. I don't care what time it is, y'all. It's always a traffic, man. So, now I'm thinking, is it because it's only 2 lane and then a lot of people are using it? Like, make me understand, like, is it because it's only 2 lane? Because it's just crazy. When it's not that side, it's the other side. But this side, it's always like that. It's not lane closed. It's not like, there's no lane closed. There's no crash. None of that.
There are police reported ahead.
So, just crazy. Let me know, man, if you ever get into, like, when you go to that highway, man, I-24 Tennessee, if it's not always busy, always traffic. It's just crazy. Now I'm almost there, but traffic not make my ETA longer now. Look at this. Look at this. So now we got 3 lanes, okay? Traffic gone. 3 lane traffic gone. So it's probably because
there are stalled vehicles ahead.
Now I would think it's probably because of the merging, but it still don't make no sense though. Still don't make no sense. But anyway. So, I'm guessing there's a crash. There's a crash because Google Maps says there's a crash. Plus, I see an ambulance going by. Plus, I see police car in front. So, there's probably a big crash. whenever we get by the crash, I'm gonna try to see. I still got time. But dispatcher called me talking about they made a mistake. They told me delivery was at 9 a.m. Now they're calling me talking about they make a mistake. It was supposed to be 8 a.m. And I get prepared to get there at 9. I might get there before that. There go another ambulance. I might get there before that, but yep, it's probably a serious crash. But anyway, so the crash was over there, but I'm guessing they already cleaned it up because I don't see no cars. They probably already cleaned it up, cleaned everything up. Man, look at that motherfucker. Look at how he walking. You're walking like you're about to fall. Why he's walking towards me? Or getting the corn out the way? Yeah. Yep, the crash was over there. One of them cars. Yep. It was a serious crash, I guess. But I don't see the article. Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. And like always, traffic. But right now we're in Nashville, Tennessee, man. Y'all see the big old building, tall ass building in front of me, okay? Well, anybody that come to Nashville already can see that it's Nashville, Tennessee. Y'all see that building that got like two? It's like it got like two horns. Look like a Batman head. It's over there, like right there. Yeah. So we're gonna keep going.
There's a stalled vehicle ahead.
Stalled vehicle ahead, which I don't see it. Crazy traffic. I don't know how people live in busy cities like this. Like when they go into work, how do they do it? Like
In half a mile,
yeah, wake up like 2 hours. 2 hours earlier. Because this is crazy, man. Look back, look at it. Look at that traffic back there. It's crazy.
There's a stalled vehicle ahead. In a quarter mile, keep left to continue on I-24 East. Follow signs for I-24 East, I-40 East.
All right.
Keep left to continue on I-24 East.
left onto I-24.
I got 28 miles left.
Continue on I-24 East for 5 miles.